Now, your local weather with the KX Storm Team.
Well, for some of you, the gorgeous weekend has already begun. For a couple others, you have to get through some showers and storms first, which we'll touch on here right now. Here's a look outside to the Bismarck area. Just some high cirrus clouds. Nice and comfortable right now in the capital city where you're at 86 degrees, so a little bit on the toasty side. Winds, though, out of the west-northwest, and that's important. That means the front is in the process of crossing through the area. And that will lower the dew point here, which is at 65 degrees. That's a little on the muggy side. Once you get above 60 degrees in that dew point, it starts to feel a little sticky out there. You can see where the front pretty much is when you look at these temperatures. Upper 70s, closer to the Highway 2 corridor, but 86 in Bismarck, 84 in Linton, 87 in Mobridge. So pretty much the front is right in here for the most part. Still warm in Dickinson Beach and all areas to the south. Still waiting for that front to fully clear the area. And you look at the winds here, they have picked up out of the north now in most places between 10 and 15 miles an hour, but still out of the west, further to the south. We're still waiting for that front to clear and change those wind directions around, which will help dry things out. Satellite and radar picture. We have two areas of rainfall right now, one to the northeastern part of the state, not affecting the area, and the other further across the west. I want to zoom in here. This is kind of what we call a meso-low sliding through here. Some thunderstorm activity with this impacting sections of Webo County now. Expect this to hold together a little bit and kind of just clip the southwestern areas here of the region. I don't expect any of these storms to become severe, but they could be a little on the frisky side with some large hail and some gusty winds. And you can kind of see that here on the Williston camera here. There's some of those thunderstorm clouds as we look off toward the southwest here. It's dry in Williston right now, and it should stay that way because the front's well past you. 79 in Williston, north winds at 16 miles an hour. Precision Cast will show you what that front is going to do here as we go through the afternoon. This particular computer model isn't as rambunctious, just some spotty showers and storms. Instability in this section of the state really isn't that great for the development of really strong to severe storms. So as that front continues to slide through, we'll have this large, strong area of high pressure settle over the area for the weekend, and we'll get that flow around the high due out of the north here, bringing in air pretty much from close to the Arctic, pretty much. Here's what the Storm Prediction Center is saying in terms of the severe potential. Non-severe for a good section of us, but further to the east, that's the chance you run into a stray or isolated severe storm. We may get to 90 today in the capital city with a chance for those thunderstorms probably after 4 o'clock. Very small window, between like 4 and 8, I think. No rain in the Magic City today. Much more comfortable temperatures and lower humidities. Highs elsewhere today, warmer to the south, cooler to the north. Cooler with air quotes there. Still in the 80s, but cooler than it has been recently. 3-day forecast for Dickinson, a little rain today, and then sunshine for your Saturday and Sunday, and very comfortable temperatures. All sunshine for your next 3 days in Williston with seasonable temperatures there in the upper 70s. 3-day forecast for Bismarck, average high of 86. As I show you this, you want to know that this weekend we are going to reach our climatological peak for average temperatures in both Bismarck and Minot. So the average high, unfortunately, will start to go down as we get into August here. So our slow descent into winter, Josh, will get underway soon.
Say it ain't so, Robert. Say it ain't so.
It's the truth.
All right, well, thank you very much. Looks like a pleasant weekend at least.